Hey, welcome back. It's Professor Dillmore here. I hope your first week of law school went well. The fact that you're watching this is a good sign. You're live, congrats. Things will get easier. Um, as some house cleaning issues, your mentors should have reached out to you by email. Some have let me know that you haven't mailed them back. Please go ahead and do so. Check for your mentor's email in your spam box, of course, or buried with the myriad emails we've been getting these days about everything. But do make sure you reach out with them and catch up with them. It's one of the benefits of the class, so take advantage of it. As a reminder, for this week, there was an assignment due, and the assignment is due by the end of Monday, August 31st. And that should be emailed not to me, but to your mentors. All right. If you have any questions about any of that, please just go ahead and give me a call. This week, we'll be talking about metacognition and how it can impact your law school study strategy. The topic of metacognition is based in cognitive psychology primarily, and it really is the study of how you think, how one thinks, and what comes out of that is that your brain is good at certain things. It's good at certain kinds of presentation, certain temporal structure, and for that reason, you learn better and encode better and recall better using methods that tap into those inherent skills that the brain has. So that's what we'll be talking about this week.